Good morning, you guys. Good afternoon or good evening from wherever you are. Today's cleaning video is a whole house clean with me. My house was a mess in some of the areas. We had tons of cleaning to do. So I'm really excited for today's video because I know you're going to get tons of motivation. So we're going to go ahead and just get started. So what I'm doing here is going ahead and starting a load. I am washing my blankets because they needed to be washed. It was about that time. So I went ahead and just washed the sheets first along with similar colored items. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash our white blanket afterwards. Right now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of clean up my laundry room because as you can see, we really needed that. It was a hot mess. So that's what we're doing here. I do want to mention in today's video, I will be doing a giveaway, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I'm really excited about this giveaway because I am giving away something that I really love and I know that you guys will enjoy it too and be able to use it in your home. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So what I'm doing here is just reorganizing my cleaning products. I do have a few baskets of cleaning products that I keep in the laundry room here upstairs. And then I have a cleaning cupboard downstairs in my kitchen. If you guys would like to see a my cleaning cupboard video, let me know. I can add it to a cleaning video or an organization video or something like that. So I don't know about you guys, but between my washer and dryer, it gets super dusty and dirty. So I went ahead and cleaned in that area, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean the floors and the grout.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
Now that I'm done with the floor, I want to go ahead and put some of these clothes that I hung to dry over the last few days. I did not do the grout on the back of the laundry door, and that's because I have a huge basket back there and it's full of blankets that I need to wash. So we didn't worry about that, but we got the main floor of where we walk in and out of the laundry room. And then once I wash those blankets later, I will definitely clean the rest of the grout. So right now I'm just going ahead and putting the toilet paper away. This is kind of where we are storing it now. When I organized my closet a couple of weeks ago, you guys really enjoyed that video. So if you missed it, you should definitely check it out. I will have it linked down below. So now we're downstairs in my kitchen area, and as you can see, it was super messy. So we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning this area.
For me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this all right. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
I feel like Remy hates the vacuum cleaner, you guys. As soon as I turn it on, he freaks out and gets up and he's just mugging it. He's just like, what is this thing? Oh, he's so funny. Does any of your guys' dogs, if you have one, freak out from the vacuum cleaners?
Do you miss me at all?
So what I did is go ahead and put some Barkeeper's Friend on my glass stove, let it sit for a second, and then came back with a scrubby and just kind of scrubbed the ring from cooking and then wiped it down again.
You call. So many years has gone by.
So one of the things that you don't want to forget is to clean the back wall behind your stove right there. Make sure that you clean that area because oftentimes there's food splatters, and if you don't see any food splatters, there's definitely oils and grease and things that you can't see and build up. So I always make sure I wipe there and also underneath my microwave. And then also all of these jars that I keep right there, those will get greasy too from cooking. So I want to make sure that I wipe those down too.
Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about.
So now we're going to go ahead and vacuum. I actually shared some cleaning motivation, speed cleaning motivation over on my Instagram the other day. So I was filming for that too. So I had the vacuum downstairs, the one that I usually keep upstairs, and I just went ahead and vacuumed the downstairs, and then we're going to mop it. If you want to see some of the speed cleaning that I shared over on my Instagram, make sure that you go ahead and follow me. I will save it to my highlights on my page.
Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Something in the air, always something in the air. Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy.
So we are now upstairs in the bathroom, and I'm going to go ahead and deep clean my bathroom. I needed to clean the toilet, the shower, mop, all that stuff.
You'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and use the Method Anti-Back Cleaner for my sink, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the Jaws Glass Cleaner for the mirror.
It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call it sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.
So we're still loving our new bathroom makeover that we recently did. We are just obsessed with it. We changed the color of our cabinets, if you didn't know, from like a brown, reddish brown to white cabinets, and we just love the fresh, clean look it gives in this bathroom. If you didn't see that bathroom makeover, I will go ahead and link it above so you can check it out.
You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased.
So whenever I clean my toilet, I always make sure to go ahead and clean that back wall there. Just if you have boys in the house, you definitely want to do that.
Yeah, you'll find a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah, yeah.
If you use Jaws products, let me know if you've tried their bathroom foam cleaner. That is what I'm using now, and I like it a lot better than their other bathroom cleaner. Let me know if you've tried it. So I'm using this little Rubbermaid scrubber, and you guys, this is a game changer. It really gets in the little corners and crevices of things and really does a great job on scrubbing that out. This is definitely one of my favorite cleaning tools to have.
It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something.
So what I'm doing to get some of that water buildup off my glass door is using an SOS pad. I know a lot of you guys asked me if it scratched my glass door. It has not. I've been using them for over a year now, and they've been fine.
Nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got this.
So I recently got these rugs from Target, and I am obsessed with them. We love them so much. I will link them down below because they honestly are our favorite bathroom mats we've ever had. So now the blankets are officially washed and dried, and now we can go ahead and make the bed.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got you, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing.
So I'm really excited because today I am doing a giveaway. I recently picked up this set of e-cloths that I've been wanting a long time myself, and so I went ahead and picked one up for you guys too. So one lucky winner will get this set. I will have the directions on how to enter down below in my description box, so make sure you guys go and check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause